Welcome to the Expense Management section, one of the most important features in KeyLogic Pro. Tracking every expense is essential for understanding your business performance, whether it's fuel, rent, parts, payroll, or even your own personal spending. KeyLogic Pro helps you keep everything organized in one place. To get started, open Inventory, then tap Expenses. At the top of the screen, you'll see the warehouse selector if your business has multiple warehouses. Below that, you'll find two sections: Expenses, Recurring Expenses. In the Expenses tab, you'll also see three filters: All, Work Expenses, Personal Expenses. In the bottom corner, you'll notice two buttons: the plus button to create an expense manually, the camera button to scan a receipt using AI. If you choose the camera, simply take a picture of your receipt. The AI will automatically extract the important information for you. Just review it, make any changes if needed, and save the expense. Now, let's create an expense manually. Tap the plus button. First, choose the expense type: work expense or personal expense. Work expenses are used for your business, such as fuel, inventory, rent, employee expenses, tools, utilities, and any other company costs. Personal expenses are only for the business owner. They're perfect if you want to track your personal spending without using another app. Only the owner can view personal expenses. Administrators and employees cannot access them. Work expenses can be viewed by owners and administrators, while employees do not have access. For this example, we'll create a work expense. Enter the expense name, such as gas. Next, choose a category. KeyLogic Pro includes common categories by default, but if you need a new one, simply tap New Category and create it. Enter the amount. For this example, we'll enter $50. Choose the expense date. You can use today's date or select any previous or future date. If your company has multiple warehouses, select the warehouse where this expense belongs. If you have a receipt, attach it here. You can also link the expense to a job. This is useful for tracking costs like parts or materials used for a specific customer. Simply select the job from the list. Finally, add any notes if needed, then tap Create. The expense is immediately added to your records. You'll see your total spending update, and the expense will appear in your expense history. Every work expense is also included automatically in your master financial report. Creating a personal expense works exactly the same way. Just choose personal expense as the type and complete the remaining fields. Now let's look at the financial report. Open the dashboard, then go to Reports and open the Master Financial Report. Select your desired date range. The report automatically includes your business expenses when calculating your company profit. If you open the Expenses section inside the report, you'll see a detailed breakdown, including inventory expenses, business expenses, job expenses, technician payouts, and more. You'll also notice the Include Personal Expenses switch. By default, this option is turned off, so your personal spending does not affect your business profit. If you want to see your true net income after both business and personal expenses, simply turn this option on. The report will instantly recalculate your profit with your personal expenses included. Now let's look at recurring expenses. Recurring expenses save you time by automatically creating expenses on a schedule. Tap the Recurring tab, then tap Add. Choose whether it's a work expense or personal expense. Enter the expense name, category, and amount. Next, choose the frequency. You can schedule it daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or any available recurring interval. For example, if you pay rent every month, simply create it once, select monthly, choose the day of the month, assign a warehouse if needed, and tap Create. From then on, KeyLogic Pro will automatically create that expense according to your schedule, ensuring you never forget recurring payments. You can also create recurring personal expenses the same way. with expense management, AI receipt scanning, recurring expenses, warehouse tracking, job linking, and complete financial reporting.